Jonielle Smith, Jamaican sprint queen making headline in all social media 2026 season. Absolutely amazing. This wasn't supposed to happen at the BAUHAUS Gala in Stockholm 2026. It was meant to belong to twin Talubo, Tina and Tia Clayton. But this woman rewrote the script. This is the upset that soaked the sprint world in a memorable fashion. Watch the race to the end.
On your mark. Tia Clayton 4 och 5. Han började tidigare. Där han då ska vara de 3 jamaicaner som gör det. 4, 5, 6 i det här finalloppet.
Vi tror att det är ett nytt stadionrekord eller ett Sätrahalsrekord, preliminär seger på 7 och 11. Bara det är värt en applåd. Riktigt snabbt som det har varit då i som har en 7-24. 7 och 11 är ju ett världsresultat just nu.
Absolutely fabulous. The big question is she the new Jamaican sprint darling? Is she the new queen of sprint in Jamaica? This 60 meters final speaks loud. Jonielle Smith, who had finished second to Tia Clayton just some days back at the Fuller Anderson Meet 2026 season in Spanish Town in Jamaica, delivered a stunning performance to defeat the highly touted twin Turbo Clayton twins Tina and Tia Clayton in the women's 60-meter final at the BAUHAUS Gala Indoor Meet in Sweden 2026 season. This young and brilliant sprinter, Jonielle Smith from Jamaica, signaled her form early by winning her heats with a track record of 7.17 seconds, advancing directly to the final. Both Tia and Tina Clayton were unable to match Smith's blistering pace. Smith shattered her own newly set track record, crossing the line in a remarkable 7.12 seconds to claim victory. This race for second was incredibly tight, with both twins clocking identical times of 7.14 seconds. After a review, Tina was awarded second place, narrowly edging out her sister Tia, who finished third. The result marked a clean sweep for the Jamaican athletes from the MVP Track Club, with Sweden's Julia Hansson finishing a distant fourth in time of 7.31 seconds. Guys, it was such a very impressive track and field event. Women's 60-meter final at BAUHAUS Gala Indoor Championships in Sweden 2026 session. At the BAUHAUS Gala meet in Stockholm, the unthinkable had just happened. This was more than a race. This was the biggest upset of the 2026 season. Jonielle Smith did it just to win. She reminded the world that in sprinting, reputation means nothing once the gun goes off. Stockholm saw it first. The rest of the world felt it second later. And just like that, 2026 had a new storyline. Believe me or not, Jonielle Smith, the new darling in town, over 60 meters track and field event. And guys, at the comment section down below here, let me know your thought. Did the BAUHAUS Gala just cheat the sprint session forever? Is this the moment Twin Turbo finally meet real resistant? Was this Jonielle Smith's greatest statement yet? Let me know your thoughts at the comment section down below here. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your precious time. Please like the video, share the video widely, comment, tell me where you're watching from, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if it's your first time coming up with this channel, my name is Andy K News. Kindly like the video, share the video widely, subscribe to this amazing channel. Hit that notification bell at the subscription so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. Once again, thank you million time for your precious time. Kindly like the video, share the video, comment, and of course watch the video to the end. Make sure that at least you don't skip the ads, because as I always tell you, that's where I generate revenue. Bye bye for now. Blessings.